Welcome back to our channel Chef Hits On. Subscribe, like and share your feedback. The first thing that comes to our mind in summer season are mangoes. So today I am preparing a very simple and easy to make recipe called Mango Delight. In a pan, take 1 liter milk and let it boil. I am using vanilla flavor custard powder for this recipe. Take half cup water or you can take cold milk and put 5 spoons of custard powder to it. Mix it very well to avoid lump formation. Once the milk is boiled, start pouring the custard and milk mixture we prepared to it. Keep stirring the milk to avoid lump formation. You will see gradually the custard milk will start to thicken. To give more thickness, again I am adding 1 spoon of custard powder mixed in a cold milk. So the correct ratio is 5 spoons of custard powder in 1 liter milk. Keeping the gas on low flame, let the custard boil for 10 minutes. Side by side, start adding sugar. I am using serving spoon to add sugar here, but with spoon the measurement is 9 spoons in 1 liter milk. After 10 minutes, custard will be ready to be set for cooling. So cool it in a fridge for almost 1.5 hours till it reaches jelly kind of consistency as visible in this video. For making Mango Delight, we would need grated fresh coconut, sliced mango cubes, Amul fresh cream and custard. Pour the fresh cream onto the grated coconut and then put 2 spoons of sugar. Mix well. In an empty container, we will start the layering process. First of all, we will put custard. Second layer would be of coconut cream. Spread it evenly. And the third layer would be of mango cubes. Repeat the layering process second time as well, starting with custard, coconut cream and mangoes. 3 important points to remember in this recipe are: 1. Use only thick bottom pan for boiling milk and custard. 2. Don't pour custard powder directly into boiling milk as it will form lumps. Instead, first mix it with cold water or milk. And last, prefer using Safeda or Deshari varieties of mangoes. Avoid using citrus fruits like oranges, pineapples if using an alternatives. Mango Delight is ready to be served. So friends, don't forget to subscribe, like and share your feedback.